Travessa do Meio, đại miệng chợ chu con hoa xa. It's Christmas time in Macau. Oh, Travessa do Meio, alleys of Macau. Walking all around Travessa do Meio, traversing along Travessa do Meio, looking all around Travessa do Meio, traveling through Travessa do Meio. It's Christmas time in Macau. Going through Macau, walking around Macau, going all about Macau. It's Christmas time in Macau. Oh, Travessa do Meio, going all around Macau, walking all around Travessa do Meio, traversing along Travessa do Meio, looking all around Travessa do Meio, traveling through Travessa do Meio.
Okay, we're in Meio Lane. There's a Christmas tree. It's kind of close to Christmas. I'm also kind of checking out some new stuff. I haven't seen this before, so I think it's a new one. And what we're gonna do in this video is we're gonna show you Travessa do Meio. It is December 21, so we have a little bit of a Christmas reference. Then we're gonna show you a lot of this artwork that's along the walls, what it's all about as well. And then we're also gonna walk around this to the back side too, so you can get an idea. So we'll look at it from up above, from say Cathedral, up above. Okay, stay tuned for that. Let's put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, Travessa do Meio. There's our Christmas tree. And I think what we're going to do first is we're going to go along this way first. And I just want to highlight some of these things. We're going to go along this wall and then we're going to come back around. But before we do, we have a lot of references. So I think this is probably Mother Mary. Yeah, I think that's the Immaculate Conception, I believe. I'm a Catholic as well, so that would be the English name. Boa Mesa. This is a restaurant, and looks like it's temporarily closed, but probably open in the evening. There's the Grand Lisboa Casino. There's some other murals here, but these ones are not as, they're a little bit different time period. So they kind of have more of a socialism, China socialism reference in this side, and some history and stuff like that. But we're going to be focusing on this one right here. Is the Domingo's Lane, goes all the way down to Senado Square. But this is going to be our focus, is this street. Later we're also going to go up to that street light up on top and come and look back down at it from that perspective as well. And then all of these right here, these are from the watercolorist George Chinnery. So this was made in 1837. He was alive 1774, 1852. So just to give you a little bit of history about him in particular, is that he was one of the first people to bring images of China to Europe, because there wasn't photography or anything like that. So he would paint these and then sell them, and then he became so popular that there was actually like schools of people from Europe that would come across from, he was actually a British guy, but they would come from across Europe, learn to watercolor and kind of watch his scenes, and then they would also paint, and then it kind of became like a business. Here's another one. So these would have been what things looked like at that time, 1840. So this would have been a street outside of São Domingos. São Domingos is the street over. So this is right in this neighborhood. Okay. There's some more right here. There's also a Bifo Pao, so I'll just kind of give you some context of everything. These are very popular with mainland Chinese tourists, so they'll come and eat down this street, and a lot of it is Bifo Pao. So there's another image. I think that one is maybe Praia Grande. Let me just take a look real quick. So this one is Bom Porto, Praia Grande. That's kind of the main street at that particular time. Okay, so we're gonna so it's Travessa de Maio. Then this is kind of the food street. So here you'll see so everybody will be eating like a lot of this Bifo Pao. I think that one is milk tea, Bifo Pao. Let's kind of like go down a little bit. Curry Bifo Pao, lemon tea. So a lot of these will be lemon tea, Bifo Pao. Sometimes you'll see pork chop bun in here too. So those will be all along the way. So that's our Chaga Street. I think this one is Say Lane, I think. And there's, since we're here, let's give you a little bit of history real quick. There's actually a Chinese merchant's house, which is now a museum, which is right there. And you can actually, that's actually open to the public, so I will just briefly look in. Kind of gets a little bit away from our target street, but this way. So there's all these little rooms. So it's a little bit beyond the scope of the video, but it's in here. I have walked around in here with the camera, but I just wanted to show that it's here. So there is a museum here. Okay, so let's go back to our target street, and then we're going to go up from above. So we did kind of show you that I think this street is called Travessa de Say, so somebody was curious about it. Here's, just as an aside, here's another Bifo Pao restaurant, and also pork chop buns as well. Okay. So let's keep going up. Some nice. So that's actually Travessa de Say. That's actually Say Cathedral up above us. Let's give you a quick, there's a lot of history right in here. So Say Cathedral. I think that's where the priests would stay, down that way. I think there's also a reference here in this building too, but we're gonna go this way. And this is Say's, okay, along with the Christmas references, there's nativity set. So this would be good. This isn't always here, but it is at this particular time. Oops. So you can see baby Jesus, you can see, I think these are the three, those are the three wise men. I think that's Joseph and Mary, the angel. And then these two, these three, I'm not so sure. Let's take a look. So, okay. So, okay. I'm just kind of curious who the extra 3 people are on the side. And then down this way is where we started at. It's beautiful buildings. Apartments up here. Okay, so that's the nativity set. You have a cross up here as well. We also have some other interesting architecture as well. Okay, and poinsettias everywhere, so kind of the Christmas spirit there, like that. And then just real quick, let's just walk over here a little bit. So I think this is called Say Street. So we're gonna show you, there's a mate building, there's also some Santa Claus references. So there's, this whole one has a bunch of Santa Claus, including one that's outside right now. I kind of wanted to highlight that because it's, I'll probably try to upload these videos before Say and Domingos. And we are gonna go back. Oh, they got a, just got a parakeet there. It's kind of interesting. I wonder where she's gonna go. And then these other murals, should follow her, but so these other murals, this is this kind of a mural that has all the modern, there's like a mix, China reference, technological museum, I think that's Domingos, I think, and then St. Paul ruins, a church up on the hill. This is so anyways, there's a bunch of Macau references that, and then these ones kind of represent like kind of more socialistic ideals, so they came about later. I think when it came back to China, they kind of mixed the histories so that all the histories are represented a little bit, the cultures and the okay. And then this would be our target street right here, so that's where we began. So I guess what we're gonna do, hello, how are you guys? Hello.
Hi.
From Macau?
No.
Oh, from Korea. 안녕하세요. 어디에서 in Korea? What city? Seoul?
Yeah, Seoul.
Wow.
Seoul, Songdo.
Oh, Songdo. Oh, sounds good. Okay, guys, 감사합니다. Bye. 안녕히 계세요. Okay, so let's so they have actually these chairs and tables out, so maybe this particular one might actually be connected. I think that's all new and looks really kind of cool. Let me just see what this menu is, because this is kind of new. Encanto. Oh, since 1982. Well, maybe it's been here for a while. My apologies if it has. Huh. Okay. So anyways, that's our target street today. And we're gonna end it at the end of the video, so we'll end it right there. Travessa de Mayo.